Welcome. In this video, we will talk about the repository in advanced ETL process and why it is so important. The repository is a critical database that stores all metadata used by our ETL products. Basically, everything you see on the screen, connections, SQL scripts, transformations, packages, and so on, is stored in the repository. Our ETL software supports the following repository types: MS Access, which is default, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, MariaDB, Postgres, and Enterprise Firebird. The default repository is MS Access, and at the top of the screen we can see repository type and repository connection details. MS Access repository works very well in test and development environment. Unfortunately, over time, MS Access databases tends to get corrupted. This can be easily addressed by running compact and repair. We recommend to all our users to use MS SQL Server Express in production environment. It is free, very easy to install and configure. Let us now have a look how we can switch from one repository to another. Let's click on Maintain, and we select repository connection from the drop-down box, and we select ETL test, and we just click reconnect. All done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.